Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on breakout chart analysis. In today's video we are going to discuss about two good stocks that has given an amazing breakout. And this video has been recorded on 10th April 2022, and the two stocks that has given breakouts are SBI Life and then Deepak Fertilizers. So let's jump straight into the chart. This chart that we are looking is Deepak Fertilizers chart, and it has formed an amazing triangle pattern, and out of the triangle pattern it has given breakout on 3 consecutive days, that is on 5th April, 6th April, 7th April, and you can see the potential breakout that has happened on 8th April. And I would see it could travel well in the upcoming days. And if you see this chart, it has taken a very good support at this trend line, and on 25th January, and then on 22nd February, and then on 28th and 29th March, it has given taken a great support, and it has also taken up a great resistance trend line, that is on 7th February and 3rd March, and rest of the 3 days in the last 3 days. If you see the target, let me try to understand at what could be the target for this chart. Okay, I believe the target could be around 725. Okay, I would say like 720 could be the potential target. So right now the stock is trading at 600 rupees. I would sell this stock for a swing trade if the stock reaches 720 rupees. And let's jump into the second stock, that is SBI Life. If you see, SBI Life has also formed an amazing triangle pattern, and it has formed higher highs and higher lows in right from 8th March onwards. It has come down and taken a reasonable dip and then started moving higher. So if you see, it has given an amazing breakout on 8th April. And if you want to know the target for this stock, let me draw the pattern. Okay, triangle. Somewhere near to the all-time high, but I'll go 10% less than this. Okay, 1263. On a safer side, I'll put 1250. So the target could be around 1250. Yes, the target somewhere could be around 1250. So if you are entering in this stock right now, you can hold till 1250, and then you can sell it off when the stock reaches this market price. And please let me know if you found any other breakout chart pattern that has happened recently with a very good volume, and please do ping that in comments. Thank you for having you today and wish you a great day. Bye.